So this is your big size swimming pool. You can check the swimming pool over here. We have a 3 BHK available for rent. So this is your second balcony which is attached to your living room. We have a big size TV cabinet over here. Hi, this is Adarsh Moto. In this video today we will be showing a 3 BHK flat measuring 2159 square feet, available for rent with 2 covered car parking, 4 bathrooms. This is just 2 kilometers away from RMG Galleria Mall, 25 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park and 35 minutes away from Bangalore International Airport. While we talk about the location, we have a lot of schools available here like Vidyasilp Academy, Vishwa Vidyapit, both branch, Rand International, Orchid International. This is the clubhouse which you will get with all the amenities. So this is your big size swimming pool. You can check the swimming pool over here with all the amenities in this society. This society is located in YELAHANKA, Dudhwalapur main road. So while we talk about the exact unit, this building we have your unit available. This is the entrance for your building. Only 2 apartments at each floor, 4 floor units we have on the second floor. It will be your attached balcony with your master bedroom. This master bedroom have a wooden flooring and a wardrobe with lofts, a mirror and an attached washroom. It comes with a bathtub. A lot of storage have been provided. So this is your second balcony which is attached to your living room. We have a big size TV cabinet over here with a lot of storage and a beautiful lights, a small powder room, a small washroom and a lot of storage with shoe racks at your forward area. You can check the size of this living room. It is very huge in size and it comes with a separate dining area. You can check even the size of this dining area. Have a Godrej security system over here. Comes along with a modular kitchen. This is a big size modular kitchen. Have a space for your refrigerator. A dual sink is there with a separate utility area and it's very big in size. You can accommodate your washing machine over here, your dishwasher over here and even a lot of storage have been provided. It have a pipe gas line. You can check the chimney have been provided and with very nice color combination. While we move forward, we have 2 bedrooms more over here. There is 4 washroom. 1 is common and 3 are attached. On the right hand side, we have 1 more bedroom. Again, it comes with an wooden flooring. You can check the view from this window. It got an inside swimming pool view with the mosquito mesh have been provided and a wardrobe with a lot of storage. And you can check the attached washroom as well. It got a separate shower area as well in the washroom with a lot of storage, sink and this is your last bedroom. Again, it comes with an wooden flooring, walk-in wardrobe. You can check the size of this wardrobe. You have a 3-door wardrobe with locks, a mirror and a attached washroom. Again, in washroom we have a lot of storage with a separate shower area. Glass partition have been done. Geyser have been provided. Again, you can check the amount of light coming into this flat. We have 2 windows on this flat and this view is really nice. It got an inside swimming pool view. So we have this huge size living room. Your main door is over here. There is only 2 apartments on this floor. We have a big size main door. You can check the size of this main door as well. Only 2 apartments at a floor. You can check the amount of space you are getting over here. 1 lift and this is your private space. This one will be going to be your private space.